Now Jupyter Notebook library successfully installed here. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Myself Bhushan. You are watching the Brain Booster. Today's topic is how to download and install Anaconda with a full setup Jupyter Notebook Pandas in Android by using simple steps. So let's get started. This video is demanding on your previous video comments. Many viewers want to this video in English language, so I recreate this video in English. So before starting video, if you are the first to visit our channel, then please subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, turn on the notification all. As soon as we upload a new video, you will be get notification. So let's get started the video. First, we want some application download from the Play Store. But firstly, understand that we require a minimum 200 to 250 MB data and storage in our mobile phone. So that is important for the loading all files, libraries, and data. So now we require there is a 4 application for that installing. Now we are open Google Play Store. Then go to search bar and type here pydroid 3 IDE. Pydroid 3 IDE. That is around 57 to 58 MB storage. So you can download this. Then after go to search bar and type here pydroid permission plugin, that is around 814 KB pydroid permission plugin. Then after you need another application, that is a pydroid also, pydroid repository plugin. These two applications are performing background, so download also pydroid 3 pydroid permission plugin, pydroid repository plugin. It is also around 120 MB. Then after you download one application, that is a browser for opening files and solving notebook all problems via a browser, that is around 1.5 to 2 MB. This is for opening and solving our notebook problem. But via you can use your default browser also, but default browser is not performing very well. So you required that VI browser is a fast and lightweight. So you use this browser because this is performing fast and correctly. Then downloaded all requirement application, that is a pydroid 3 IDE, pydroid permission plugin, and pydroid repository plugin, and one is a VIA browser. Download all 4 application. I give this all application link in description. You can now open pydroid 3 application. Go to pydroid 3 application. Then we need a Jupyter Notebook libraries files install in a pydroid application. So we need all libraries. So click on these 3 bars left hand side top, and then click on PIP tab. Then there is a 2 option, install and quick install. These are both are performing for installation of notebook libraries, any libraries, Pandas, Jupyter, Numpy. These for installation of libraries. But we need Jupyter library. So you can see here or search here. There is a many libraries here. You can search here or type here Jupyter, only Jupyter. Please type your spelling correct, and after search install here. Please wait for loading all data files, libraries. Don't press back button, and do not close application. can't load all libraries. Then after all complete process, there is a pop-up installation complete. Then you go to home page, click on back. Then after click on three bars top of left side, and click on terminal button. Show here terminal, three number of button, three there is. Then here type here Jupyter notebook. Please type correct spelling of a Jupyter notebook. I can give this spelling and code in a description box also, and all application links in description also. You can check description box. And after that click and enter button, and you have one pop-up here. You can open with vi browser. You can also open with your default browser, but vi browser is a safe and is fast to load that Jupyter notebook files and libraries. So click on only vi browser. There open here our Jupyter notebook properly and successfully. You can see here Jupyter, and here is all option of a Jupyter notebook here. Very simple stuff of Jupyter notebook is opening here. You can open with the desktop side, and click on new button to load your run your program. Click on Python 3 here, and you can run your program, and click on here. You open this notebook, and your run programming is running, ready to running. If you are first to visit our channel, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, turn on all notification. As soon we as upload a new video, you will be the first to get notification. So thank you for watching this video. We meet with next video. Thank you.